The natural benefits of olive oil are considered to be one of the healthiest oils in the world. Widely known for its health benefits, olive oil contributes equally to the longer life expectancy of the Mediterranean population. However, it is important to note that olive oils are made by crushing and pressing olives. However, olive oils vary in color depending on their composition. For example, the green olive oil is made from unripe olives while the golden olive oil, which has a milder flavor, is made from ripe olives. There are also different grades of olive oils, including extra virgin and virgin olive oil, but that's not actually our focus. Our interest is more in the natural benefits associated with consuming olive oil. They include: olive oil is rich in antioxidants. One of the reasons why you should consume olive oil is the fact that it is rich in antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil, for example, is particularly well known for containing large amounts of polyphenols, which act as antioxidants in the body. Remember, antioxidants are actually nature's way of protecting the body and its cells from free radical damage. In addition, these antioxidant polyphenols also have anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil helps against cancer. Bits of evidence from many studies have shown that people who eat diets prepared with olive oil have a reduced risk of certain cancers, including small bowel, stomach, and upper digestive tract cancers. However, most scientists have argued that the antioxidants in olive oil help fight free radicals, which are known to be a major cause of cancer. So, you can protect yourself from certain cancers and stay healthier by incorporating olive oil into your diet. Olive oil works against rheumatoid arthritis. Consuming foods made from olive oil also reduces symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Research has found that rheumatoid arthritis patients who supplemented their diets with olive oil had improved markers of inflammation and reduced oxidative stress. However, the results are more effective when an olive oil supplement is combined with fish. Results from a study also showed that participants who took olive oil and fish together experienced a significant reduction in joint pain, increased grip strength, and decreased morning stiffness. Olive oil works against overweight and obesity. Another great natural benefit of olive oil is the fact that it works against overweight and obesity. However, this claim can be backed up by the fact that medical experts have claimed that it is extremely difficult to gain weight from the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil. This is especially true of Mediterranean olive oil, which has shown many positive results in terms of its use for weight loss. Olive oil lowers cholesterol levels and reduces heart problems. Olive oil is also highly recommended for lowering cholesterol levels in the body. It is worth noting that low-density lipoprotein (LDL) cholesterol has negative properties as it increases the risk of heart attacks as well as pulmonary heart disease. Extra virgin oil is said to be rich in 40 antioxidant chemicals that help reduce the oxidizing effects of LDC, which increases high-density lipoproteins (HDL), also known as good cholesterols. In addition, the natural olive oil contains up to 70% monounsaturated fatty acids, which help reduce the buildup of cholesterol in the blood, thereby reducing heart problems as well. I will implore you to add olive oil to your daily routine, especially in the morning before food. Thanks for watching.